plus it's highly nutritious, microwavable macaroni and cheese dinner, and the people sold it on sale. Amen.
Ooh, I can cook that. Every Christmas, I get irrationally angry that Kevin never gets to eat his mac and cheese, so this year, I gotta do it myself. We'll start by melting butter until browned. This will add flavor to the roux, which will be the base for our cheese sauce. To the melted butter, we'll add flour and let that cook down for a few minutes before adding evaporated milk, whole milk, mustard powder, and black pepper. Whisk until the flour is no longer clumping together and the liquid is smooth. Then we can add mild cheddar cheese and sharp cheddar. How much sharp cheddar you add is totally up to you. Stir it all together until the cheese is mostly melted into a smooth sauce. Then we can add cooked extra large elbow noodles. I think the extra large noodle shape is essential to capturing that thick noodly texture that we see in the movie. Finally, after 35 years, I get to eat the mac and cheese from Home Alone. This one's for you, Kevin McAllister. And I even tried to get the Wet Bandits to let me into the house, but apparently that's frowned upon. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and food adventures that I post almost every week. Do you ever get hungry? Don't forget you can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.